Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and edit graph of bar chart in the Google Docs. So here I've already opened the docs.google.com, and here I'm going to start by clicking on the blank document. So after it open, if you want to create a bar chart here, you can just go to insert and then chart and choose the bar options. Now Google Docs will inserting the chart. So if you want to add it here, you can just click on the three dots icon on the bar chart, this one, then tap on the open source, because you cannot directly edit it on the Google Docs, so you need to open this source, which is the Google Sheets. So when you click on that, the Google Sheets will be opened. And now if you want to add it in here, you can just here see the data. So this is the example data, and if you want to change it, for example in here, you want to add some value or add a new title in here, I'm going to add an arrow above here, for example the grade comparison. So I'm going to change the item with for example class A, and then class B, then class 1, class C. Here I'm going to also change the item with the subject, math, English, and the third one is, for example, biology. And then here the last one is physics. And here you can also change the value if you want to. I'm going to change all of the value of each item here, so you can just edit it as you like. Okay, the last one in here. And then here, as you can see on the bar chart, the data is also changed. And when you go back to the Google Docs, if you want to see the new changes here, you can just click on this update button, tap on that, and the new bar will be show up. So that's pretty much all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.